Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm going to try something a bit different. It's to do with the air fryer. Now let me show you what I've got. This one is trial and error, see if it works. So let me just show you what I've got. Right, what I'm going to do, egg in the air fryer, but I'm going to do fried egg. Never ever tried it. Don't know whether you can, but we're going to find out. So what have I got? I'm going to try it with butter and with oil. Two different ones. I got myself an old pan. I've had that in the cupboard for years. I took the handle off it. It just fits in. So first things first, I'm going to get a drop of butter. I'm going to stick a spoonful of butter in there. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Then I'm going to put it in the air fryer while the air fryer's warming up to melt it, to see if that works. So let's get the air fryer on. Good old Aldi air fryer, these. Brilliant. Let's see if we can do eggs, fried eggs. I'm going to put that in there. Oh. Put that in there. I'm going to put it on to warm up for, I don't know, a minute or so. And we'll see. So I'll let that warm up. Right, that's been in for 2 minutes. You've got to be careful, don't burn the butter. Let's see if we can get this egg in. This is going to be the fun part. Put that in there so I don't burn the side. Right, the egg's in. Now I'm going to try and cook it. I ain't got a clue how long, so I'm thinking maybe put it on a bit lower and put it for like 6 or 7 minutes. So let's put it on 165 for, let's do 7 minutes. And I'll check after 4. So I'll bring you back in a second. Right, that's been in for 3 minutes, so I'm going to have a look. Okay. Looks like it's cooking. Let's put it back in. Another 4 minutes and we'll see. Right then, that's on its last minute now. Smelling a bit eggy in here, so it might cook first time. Right, that's just finished. Let's have a look. Moment of truth. Oh no, it's gonna be burnt. I think that's probably because of the butter. See, trial and error. We'll try again. I'll put oil in it this time. I'll give that a clean out. Right, this time I'm going to put a drop of oil in it. I think it might have been the butter. Swirl it all round. Now let's get an egg in again. So it's all trial and error. Any shout? No shout? Right, let's get it in. Oh, that one's burst. Well, we can test that anyway, see if the white can come. Well, let's put it on the same 160, maybe 5 minutes this time. And don't touch it, and we'll try that. I know the shell's burst, but we'll see if the if the white cooks and that. Right, that's got 1 minute to go. It hasn't been opened. Hey, there's the first one. I mean, it did cook, but it's hard. I mean, if you like hard eggs, that'd be fine, I suppose. There you go, it's just finished. Moment of truth on this one. What was this one? 5 minutes, 160 degrees. Oh, that's a lot better. Obviously the eggs split, because it split when I put it in, didn't it? Well, could I get it out? That's the question. That's the question. I don't think I'd get that out, would I? So we've had this pan for years, so I don't even know if it's non-stick. I mean, there's that one. I mean, it's cooked, still overdone. Still overdone. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe try 4 minutes. Let's try 4 minutes. I'll get it clean. Right, I've cleaned it up. Put a bit of oil in again. Give it a swirl, get it all covered. So it's all trial and error. Never done this before, so it seemed to work. Maybe it was in just a little bit longer. Maybe I'll put it for 4 minutes this time. See if I can do it without breaking the egg this time. Slowly. Oh, I haven't broken the egg this time, so far. Anyway, let's get it in there. "160 degrees, 4 minutes. Let's try that. Boom. So let's check that one when it's done. Right, that's on its last minute now. So I was at 160 degrees for 4 minutes. Let's try this one. So that one worked. It was a little bit... I mean, it might have worked properly if I didn't break the yolk in it. But it looks... I mean, it's an egg. Soft in the middle, but it's a bit hard there. That's obviously where I broke the yolk, so... There we go, it's just finished. Moment of truth on this one. 160 for 4 minutes. Oh, not quite. It's there though. Maybe another 30 seconds maybe. I'm going to stick in another 30 seconds. Right, that's about 30 seconds. Let's have a look. That's the one. I've got it. Oh, that looks nice. Let's get that out. Let me get me let me get my thing out. Let's get this out. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it. That's going to be boiling off. Now, can I get it out? Can I get it out? I think if you had a proper non-stick pan, it'd be better. But I said we've had this years and years, this little pan. So I left that in for another minute, so I had 5 minutes at 160. There you go, look at that. Absolute perfect. Five minutes at 160 degrees. Right, let's have a look. Oh yes. Absolutely perfect, look at that. Absolutely perfect. Right, I've got done myself another egg. I'm going to try something else now. I'm going to stick a waffle in. Egg and waffle. I'll have to stand the waffle up on its side like that. So that was 5 minutes at 160 degrees for that perfect egg. So we're going to try again. So 160 degrees for 5 minutes. Waffle and egg. Let's try that. I'll bring you back when that's done. Right, that's done. Let's have a look. Oh, maybe the egg 1 more minute. Give that another 1 more minute. Well, I say you're looking at 160 degrees. Between 4 and 5 minutes. Well, about 5 minutes for the egg. With the waffle, it'd have had 6. So don't forget, if you like content like this, I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Leave a comment. Fried eggs in the air fryer. I think that should be about it now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Waffle. Lovely. Get the egg out. Lovely. Lovely fried egg. Oh, let's turn that off. Let's see if I can get this one out. What do you think? Yes? No? Maybe? Let's give it a cut in. I mean, look. Look at the egg. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Let's stick a bit of pepper on it. Oh yes. Oh yes. So, there we go. Right, so there you go then. What do you think? Fried egg in an air fryer. Gorgeous. See if I can pick it all up and show you. You see? Oh yeah, fried egg and waffle. Tastes delicious, to be fair to you. As I say, trial and error. I got there in the end. What was it? 160 degrees. 5 minutes is perfect. As I say, I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Try it yourself. Until the next time, see you later. Bye bye. Fried egg and waffle. Lovely. See ya.